In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform your Windows 11 desktop into a clean, modern glass-themed setup using Windhawk. By the end, you'll have a stunning glass-themed Windows 11 desktop, complete with a redesigned File Explorer, Start menu, Taskbar, Notification Center, Settings app, macOS-style animations, and matching wallpapers. Let's get started. Before we start customizing Windows, let's create a system restore point. This is very important. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your computer to this exact state. Open the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Click the result to open it. Select your C drive, then click Create. Enter any name for the restore point, then click Create again. Windows will take a few seconds to create it. Once it's done, we're ready to start customizing Windows 11 with confidence. The first thing we need is an application called Windhawk. Open your browser and go to Google, search for Windhawk, click the first result, which should be windhawk.net. Once you're on the website, download the latest version, then run the installer and install it on your PC. Now it's time to download the theme files I've put together for you. Open the link in the video description and download the theme pack. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to any folder. I've made the setup as simple as possible. Just open the HTML file inside the folder and it will automatically open in your web browser. From there, you can easily follow along and access everything you need for the customization. Let's start by customizing File Explorer. Open the Configs tab in the theme page. Here you'll find all the mods and their configurations. First, copy the mod title. Now switch to Windhawk and open the Explore tab. Paste the mod title into the search bar. When the mod appears, click Details, then click Install. After the installation is complete, open the mod's advanced settings. Go back to the browser, copy the configuration for this mod, then paste it into the configuration box in Windhawk. Click Save to apply the changes. Now let's add the acrylic effect to make the glass look even better. Go back to the theme page and find the mod called Translucent Windows. Copy the mod name, then return to Windhawk and paste it into the search bar. Open the mod, click Details, and then click Install. There's no extra configuration needed for this one. Once it's installed, open File Explorer again. You'll instantly notice the new acrylic glass effect, giving the windows a much cleaner and more modern appearance. Now let's customize the Start menu. Go back to the Configs page and copy the Start menu mod title. Open Windhawk. Paste the mod name into the search bar and install it just like we did before. Once it's installed, open the mod's advanced settings. Go back to the browser, copy the configuration for the Start menu, paste it into Windhawk, and click Save. The changes will be applied immediately, giving your Start menu the new glass-themed look. Now let's customize the taskbar. For the taskbar, we'll be using two different mods. One controls the glass style and the other lets us adjust the taskbar height and icon size. Just like before, you can find both mod names and their configurations on the theme page. Copy the first mod name, install it through Windhawk, then copy and paste its configuration into the advanced settings and click Save. Repeat the same steps for the second mod. If you're unsure at any point, just follow what I'm doing on the screen. The process is exactly the same as before, and once both mods are installed, your taskbar will match the glass theme perfectly. Next, let's customize the Notification Center. Go back to the theme page and find the Notification Center mod. Copy the mod name, install it through Windhawk, just like we've been doing. After the installation is complete, copy the configuration from the theme page, paste it into the mod's advanced settings, and click Save. If you open the Settings app right now, you'll notice it still doesn't match the glass theme. Don't worry, we're going to fix that too. Go back to the theme page and find the Windows 11 Settings Styler mod. Copy the mod name, install it through Windhawk, Then open the mod's advanced settings. Copy the configuration from the theme page, paste it into the configuration box, and click Save. Now open the Settings app again, and you'll see it matches the rest of the glass theme perfectly. Now let's make the minimize animation look just like macOS. Go to the theme page and find the macOS minimize animation mod. Copy the mod name, then open Windhawk, paste it into the search bar and install the mod. This one doesn't require any additional configuration, so once it's installed, you're all set. Now minimize any window, and you'll see the smooth macOS-style minimize animation in action. Finally, let's finish the setup with a wallpaper that matches the glass theme. The default Windows wallpaper looks a bit plain, so I've included 2 custom wallpapers for you to choose from. On the theme page, open the Wallpapers section and click the download button under the wallpaper you like. When the image opens, right-click it and select Save Image As, then save it anywhere on your computer. Once it's downloaded, open the folder where you saved it. Right-click the image and choose Set as Desktop Background. And that's it. Your Windows 11 desktop should now have a clean, modern glass look from top to bottom. And that's it. Your Windows 11 desktop now has a beautiful glass-themed makeover. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel. If you want to see more Windows customization guides, tips, and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help. You can also find the theme files and everything mentioned in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now you know how to give Windows 11 this amazing glass look. If you ever decide to go back to the default Windows appearance, it's just as easy. Open Windhawk and uninstall each of the mods we installed, one by one. As you remove each mod, you'll see that part of Windows return to its original look. Once all the mods are removed, your system will be back to the default Windows 11 theme.